Hey Maggie, what you doing?
Hey, Lady V. I am stocking our Dressed and Blessed 7-day candles that we just made here in-house.
Oh,
We actually
look at that.
dress and bless them ourselves here at aromaG's.
Oh, so like those are magical herbs and magical oils? Oh, smart.
Yes, yes. So we have a wide variety of different topics that you could need a Dressed and Blessed candle for.
Mm-hmm.
We have them available in the 7-day size.
Okay.
These are also on the website.
Okay.
We also have them in a 3-pack of chimes. These are also available on the website. $5.99 for the 3-pack.
Oh, and those are also the oils, the magical oils and magical herbs?
They have magical oils and magical herbs on them.
Oh, okay.
So we put these on them ourselves here, and we put them full of intentions as well for whatever this label is.
I love it. So remind me again, we've got them in these.
We have Blockbuster, Breakup, Come to Me, Crown of Success. We've got a huge array of topics. Healing, Goddess you would use for maybe working with the divine, the feminine, trying to call in a specific goddess to you.
Okay.
Psychic. I always light a psychic candle whenever I'm doing readings.
Ooh, show me that one, please. Asking for a friend.
Psychic.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
And it's purple, so it connects you with the crown chakra.
Oh, that makes sense.
So using it during divinations is super helpful.
Oh, okay.
Especially whenever I do my readings Tuesday mornings from 10:30 to 2:30.
Oh, what type of readings?
Lady M, Lenormand, and Oracle cards.
Oh, okay. Good to know. I'm gonna put that in my calendar.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We have road openers, so if you have not a lot of options on something that you're trying to get done, road opener will give you even more options and availabilities. Blockbuster, if you have something maybe in your way that you're trying to get out of your way to be able to proceed with something, like the bank is held up on something for your loan.
Gotcha.
Blockbuster it.
Gotcha. Noted.
It's really user preference as to whether you use a 7-day or the chimes.
Okay.
So it's up to you, however you are able to burn them as well. Some people aren't able to burn all the time.
Oh,
but yeah.
Okay. That's a good thing to know.
This is our Dressed and Blessed candles that we make in-house here at aromaG.
Oh, thank you so much, Maggie, for letting us know about this.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.